Om Sai Ram. May Baba's grace be with one and all. Let me tell you a story from the book Sai at 366 and the happening on 12th February, which talks about sly in nature. The ardent devotees of Sai Baba would see and feel Sai everywhere. The shades of Sai were visible to them. I am not a devotee of Sai Baba, but I am only a servant of Sai Baba, were the words uttered by a great devotee, Shivanesan Swamiji. In 1996, a devotee came to Shirdi and after having the Darshan of Sainath, met Shivanesan Swamiji. The real intention of the devotee's arrival was to get his cancer removed and get off his sufferings. The disease was reduced in a week. He became totally hale and healthy. Swamiji became unhealthy in return. That has not come to him naturally, it was forced to bring to him. Doctors examined Swamiji and finally declared that Swamiji had cancer. The result need not be said. Swamiji left his mortal coil on February 12, 1996. This is exactly how Sai Baba left his body for the sake of Tatya. The day when Swamiji left his mortal coil was a Magha month, Vahala Saptami and a Monday. After his Mahasamadhi, Sai Baba appeared in various incidents in person and in dreams. Similarly, Swamiji, who walked in Sai Baba's footsteps, always did the same things after his passing away. Swamiji appeared to his devotees in the form of a fakir and said that he has come from Maharashtra and asked for a dakshina of ₹5. While the young man was giving ₹5 from his pocket, the fakir formed Swamiji said to him that not from your pocket, but bring dakshina from your shop and give. The young man did accordingly and fakir formed Swamiji accepted it. When the young man was just watching the fakir walked few steps and the Swamiji, who was in disguise of this fakir, disappeared. That very great person, Shivanesan Swamiji's Mahasamadhi, is at Pimpalwadi Road in Shirdi, about a distance of 2.5 kilometers from old Shree Sai Prasadalaya. The Mahasamadhi by Sai Baba was a sly, says Hemat Pant. Even Swamiji's also was the same. हरिद्वार, मथुरा, काशी, शिरडी में तीर्थ सारे हैं, साई बाबा के चरणों में चारों धाम हमारे हैं. The translation is, all the pilgrim places like Haridwar, Mathura, Kashi are in Shirdi. All the 4 dhams of ours is at the feet of Sai Baba. This was a song that was loved by Shivanesan Swamiji. Let us lend our voice with Pujya Swamiji. Bow to Shree Sai, peace be to all. For more audios, please visit saileelas.com. Om Sai Ram.